Now background properties, I have already explained you that what is background properties. Now what are the options, different background options we will see in this table. Now first one is property section, second one is description section, third one is value section, and the last one is example. Now background color. Now if you have created a web page and you want to give the background color, then you have to use this property background color. What is the use of it? We will see in this description section. It is used to change the background color of an element. That means that you have written a lot of elements, there are a lot of segments, lot of elements in your web page. Now you want to change the background color of a particular element. So you can change through background color. Okay. Now next is values. How can you write in your coding? Color name, color code. These two are the values. Now example, color name. That means just now you are going to give the background color. So what it will be? It will be background. Now color code. Now you have to give color. Which color do you want to give as a background color? So after background you have to write color colon red. If you want to give any other color, you may write whichever color you like, you may give over here. Now second is background size. Now background size, it may be large, small, whatever size you want to give the background, you may use this background size. This property can be used for the size. What is the description of it? Used to specify the size of the background image. Now values, auto, width in percent, height in percent. Now while you are specifying the size, height and width is important to specify the size. So what is the example? Background. We are using the background size. So I have written here background size. Auto should be written over here. Now background size. Now we will give the background size in the percentage, height and width. Height is width is 20% and height is 10%. So this is the background size. Next comes background image. Now if you want to give any image, then we can use with the help of the background image. It is used to specify the image to be used in the background of the element mentioned. Sometimes when we used to write the coding, then we used to give some kind of images at the back related to the coding. Okay. Now what is the value of it? URL, image, URL. So background image URL tree.jpg, IPG. Okay. So what is here? We are giving the picture of a tree. Now next is background repeat. Now what is background repeat? It is used to control the repetition of an image in the background of the element. That is repeating horizontally, vertically or on repetition at all. That means if you are using an image of the element, background of the element, so you want that image to be repeated time to time from the horizontally, vertically or repetition at all. Okay. At that time you have to use the background repeat. What is the value of it? Repeat X to repeat horizontally, repeat Y to repeat vertically, no repeat. That means we are using X-axis and Y-axis to repeat it, from where we are going to give the axis wise it can repeat it. Now what is the example of it? Background repeat colon repeat. Background repeat x. That means it will repeat from the horizontally. X axis means horizontally and y axis means vertically. So if you are writing x, that means that image will be repeated from the horizontal side. Now background repeat y. Repeat y means vertically. That means that image will be repeated from the vertical side. Now background repeat no repeat. That means this image will not be repeated at that particular element. Okay. Now next point is background attachment. Attachment means that if you have to attach anything, so you can attach from here. What is the description? Used to decide whether the background will be scrolling or fixed. Okay. Now what is the value? Scroll or fixed. Example, background attachment scroll. If you have to scroll, then we will use this scroll. Now scroll means it will move. Okay. Now background attachment fixed. That means it will not move. It will be stay at the fixed level. Now next is background position. Now if you are giving the image, then what will be the position of that particular image? We will see this. Decides the starting position of the image used as the background. That means you have to decide the position of the image used as the background. Now, what are the values? Left, right, center, left top, left center, left bottom, right top, right center, right bottom, center top, center bottom. There are so many values available in the background position. So we will set according to our requirement, that what is our requirement, what is the requirement of the web page. So according to that we will set here. Okay. Now what is the example? Background position left top. That means this image will come from the left top. Left side means this is the left top. This is the